What's going on, guys? It's me, Kevin, aka Fitman Cook, and today on Fuel and Gains, we are doing a comfort food makeover. We are making a low-carb Italian cauliflower bake. It's for the struggle keto in all of us. Let's get to it. Add cauliflower florets to a food processor and post-blend to create rice or pearls. Dump the cauliflower onto a cheesecloth or paper towel and squeeze it to remove excess moisture. To a non-stick skillet, you're going to add olive oil, garlic, and onion. Lightly caramelize for about 1 minute and be careful not to burn the garlic. Add in some lean ground turkey and chop it up in the skillet. While it cooks, add in fennel seeds, sage, and a pinch of sea salt and pepper. When it's almost finished, add in the cauliflower and some marinara. Stir it up. Top it off with fresh mozzarella and Parmesan. Cover it with foil and bake for 15 minutes at 400, then remove the foil and bake for another 3 to 5 minutes. Garnish and enjoy. Here's the macro breakdown. This has been Fuel and Gains with Bodybuilding.com. We are always keeping it healthy, but never boring. Ooh!
Here, let me help you.
I really just wanted the cheese for myself.
No.
Let me help you, bud. Let me help you.
That's all cheese, buddy.
Thank y'all for watching. Be sure that you smash that like button below and remember to ring that bell so you don't miss out on more tasty recipes.